The thrill is gone, gone away from me. The thrill is gone, it's gone away from me. Someday I'll be open armed, but how lonely I'll be. The thrill is gone. The thrill has gone away. The thrill is gone. The thrill has gone away. And you know you done me wrong, and you'll be sorry someday. The thrill is gone. It's gone away for good. The thrill is gone. It's gone away for good. But someday I'll be open armed, just like you know a good man should. I'm free, free, free now. Free from your spell. I'm free, free, free now, baby. Free from your spell. Now that it's all over, all I can do is wish you well. Now that it's all over, all I can do is wish you well. Now watch me. Now that it's all over, all I can do is wish you well. All right, thank you. Temptation, what this world is all about. Temptation, what this world is all about. Since Adam bit the apple and the juice come running out, greed and hatred, jealousy go hand in hand. Greed and hatred, jealousy go hand in hand. Since Adam bit the apple, there's been no peace on earth for man. Sometimes I wonder if we'll reach a higher plane. Sometimes I wonder if we'll reach a higher plane. Since Adam bit the apple, been insane.
Got one more? Do one more? Where you want to do one more?
One more shuffle in a Bright Lights Big City.
Shoot, I need that.
Bright Lights. We're gonna do just one more song and then turn into pumpkins.
I'm gonna stick some brushes on this. Okay.
Bright lights, big city, going to my baby's head. Bright lights, big city, been going to my baby's head. I tried and tried to tell her, but she don't believe a word I said. It's alright, pretty baby, you're gonna need my help someday. It's alright, pretty baby, you're gonna need my help someday. You're gonna wish you had listened to some of these things I say. Knock your fool self out. Go ahead, pretty baby. Knock your fool self out. You know I love you, baby, but you don't know what it's all about. Knock your fool self out. Go ahead, pretty baby. Knock your fool self out. You know I love you, baby, but you don't know what it's all about.